Hey everybody, I just wanted to post a new video for the new year, 2018. I still haven't upgraded any of my antennas or anything, but I'm going to get around to it this year. I've just been real busy lately, but I did get one new thing that I thought was really cool. Went to a house that we're doing some work on and ended up getting an antenna tower. So it's a 40-foot antenna tower. I got it sitting over here on the ground. I'm going to show it to y'all, and I don't know if I'm going to be able to put it up yet. I'm still trying to convince my wife that it's not going to look that ugly. So if I can get this thing put up in the next month or so, I'll definitely put a video online about that. But I think I've almost convinced her that it's going to be a good thing. So we should be able to get over 100 channels with this thing. Let's show you. It comes in several different sections. Let's see. They're 10-foot sections each. And let's see, there's 1, 2, 3, 4 sections there, and then a smaller section here. So yeah, we got I think it's a little bit over 40 foot. So like I said, each one of these sections is 10 foot each. So, and then there's the top section. See, the antenna would mount there on top. It is used, like I said, but I got it for free, which is normally around 1,000 something online, so that ain't a bad deal for it. And go in the comment section and say, hey, put that thing up, because I'm excited about it. I was excited when I first got to take it down, but as you see, I'm wearing a jacket now. It's a little chilly here in Texas for the first time. It froze last night, so, but anyway, right here, old antenna setup. So I still got the dual bay, or 8-bay dual antennas here at the top. I got that single one at the bottom, so I haven't upgraded the combiner or anything yet. But hopefully this year we'll get that. Got a new job, been going through a lot of stuff, so, but hopefully going to get around to it. So like and subscribe, and then we'll get hopefully some more videos up this year. But thank you for sticking with me.